Alright, what's going on, all you dysfunctional bastards? Tonight what we're doing is Douglas Redbeard's, well, looks like to be somewhat of a vintage Zippo. Oh, excuse me, it's a 95 Chrome Slim Zippo. Anyway, it's 7:38 Central. We're gonna go live. Let's get this tiny list. Let's see where we at. 24. Alright. 1 through 24. Copy. Putting the list down. 24. We're good. Let's roll the dice. 2 dice, no snake eyes. Roll the big 9. We're going to randomize the list 9 times. Make sure there's 24 still. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dice say 9. Rolled 8 times. See right there. It is 7:40 Central. This is going to be the last and final time. Good luck all. Spot 9, Chris Thomas. Dice rolled 9. Rolled it 9 times. Spot 9, Chris Thomas is the winner. Chris Thomas, send the Redbeard your information. Congratulations. I'm going to go click done. If anybody else needs videos done, just let me know.